Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be learning on how to draft and sew a crop top. This can be part one because this is going to be basically on sewing, on cutting. Maybe in the next video we are going to be going to the sewing aspect. So crop top is a trend. This is something every beginner should be able to draft out. But without long talk, let's go to the cutting table and get started. Alright, welcome back to my cutting table. So I have my pattern with me. This is going to serve as the front and this is going to be the back. The only thing that was not inclusive was that I have to draw a line slanted. As we all know, we have to slant our shoulder line, which I'm also going to be doing here. I'm going to be slanting the shoulder line. From the shoulder line, you take some measurement of your armhole, which is very necessary. So you just give it a curve. I'm just using freehand anyway. Now that my patterns are ready, you are going to take your measurement, that is your bust measurement, divide by 4. You're going to, whatever what it gives you, you're going to take it, which is going to be, this is my shoulder to bust, and this is my waistline, and this is my half length, and this is my waistline. So whatever what I get is what I'm including here. Like, so the same thing I'll be doing it for my waistline too. So I'll be connecting it to my waistline, and so that's for like that. So but in order for me to not have wastage of fabric, I always make sure I have I had my 2 inches allowance in all. Whatever what you get from the upper bodies, you're from your box, you have to add at least 2 inches allowance. Now this is a crop top, so you're just taking the measurement from your shoulder to the belly point, and I'm going to also be doing that the same thing to the in the back too. I'm going to be adding the inches. Why I did not add zip allowance to the back is because of this is a crop top and it doesn't have any zip. Assuming it has zip, I would have said okay, I need to put in my zip allowance, but as we all know, there was no zip allowance now, so there's no need for to actually add zip allowance to it. Assuming there's zip allowance, we can actually input our zip allowance, but there was none. So I'm just going to take my neckline measurements. Depend on how you want it. You can use 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 3 by 4, whatever, anyhow you actually want it to be. So I'm just going to be slanting it. This is a U shape. This is how to actually cut out your U shape, and I'll also be doing the same thing for the back too. I'm going to be doing the same thing for the back because this does not have any zip allowance, so we just take it. This is one of the easier things I think every fashion beginner should be able to just draft out within a twinkle of an eye. It's very easy to just score out, especially U shape neckline. It's one of the easiest neckline I think every fashion beginner should be able to draft out. And just like so, my crop top is ready. Like it's one of these, like just like the basic bodies too. Don't forget to think about the sleeve. Oh, the sleeve will have to be there. So how can you cut some some crop top are actually sleeveless, so that one they don't need to actually put in the sleeve. But if it's not, if it's like it has a sleeve, you have to make sure, don't forget to cut out your sleeve. So I'm done with the back now. I'm cutting out the front. Okay, so let's quickly talk about the sleeve. The sleeve is based on your own measurement. You can actually use freehand for your sleeve so that whenever you want to like join it, you're not going to shape it to the size you actually want it. While you can actually use measurement for it. But for me, I love using freehand sleeves. I know I love that I normally use freehand sleeves. So if you want to cut your sleeve, make sure you fold your fabric into 4 so that it's going to actually be for the both sleeves. Then the length of the sleeve is based on your preference. I think if any inches of the kind of length of sleeve you want to actually work with, you can actually work with that. So these are things that I know that every fashion beginner should just know. It's one of the easier things every beginner should know. So just like so, your crop top illustration is ready, like very ready. So you also just to go and join them, add the sleeves. Like look at what I mean. Like now the both sleeves are ready. So this is what I mean by when folding it into 4, because it's going to give you 2 sleeves. So this is going to be for the left sleeve, the left hand is going to be for the right hand. So I hope you learned one or two watching this video. Don't forget to comment, like and share. Until I see you next time.